I want to tell you about our dry brush. So this is our wooden handle natural bristle dry brush. You can see here the bristles. They are delightful. The handle is all wood, this piece and the back. So this one actually comes apart. Oof. This is meant to be a dry brush. It is not meant to be a wet brush. You don't want to use it in the shower to lather. There are other brushes for that. I would recommend our agave or Rami fiber cleansing bar soap sleeves, our bags, these guys. If you want that for when you're in the shower. This is for usually before a shower or in the morning. This is for lymphatic drainage, and it helps remove dead skin. So the way you use this is for most areas of your body, you're actually just going to slide the sleeve on, use it like this. You're going to go in circular motions towards your heart. So you're going to go on your skin, not on your sweater, on your skin in circular motions all around your body, always towards your heart. So you'll go from your feet up, from the ends of your arms in towards your heart, even around your stomach. You're going to go in a clockwise motion up towards your heart. That's going to help loose the lymphatic drainage and also remove that top layer of dead skin. It feels delightful. There's this beautiful tingling sensation. And I'm going to put a link below this to our dry brushing guide that gives you all the details on how to use it. I just wanted you to see what the brush looks like, and then show you that the handle just slides right back in like that. I hope you'll try it. It is one of my favorite products. It feels incredible on your body.